video guide on debunking common myths about heating your home. I'm Brandin Gorman from Golden Rule. As winter approaches, heating your home becomes a top priority, but with heating practices come myths and misconceptions. Some believe you can save money by never heating your house. However, this myth can cause frozen pipes, discomfort, and mold growth. By closing off vents, this could cause your furnace to overheat and it may damage your HVAC system. Keep your vents open to allow your system to evenly heat your house. Some worry that central heating systems can make them sick. Proper maintenance, air filter changes, and humidity control can ensure healthy indoor air. There's a myth that turning off heating at night saves energy. However, abrupt temperature changes can be uncomfortable. A programmable thermostat offers a better solution. In conclusion, separating fact from fiction is crucial for efficient home heating. Proper heating practices, regular maintenance, and energy-efficient strategies create a comfortable and cost-effective indoor environment during the winter. Stay informed, follow best practices, and consult with trusted HVAC professionals at Golden Rule to ensure your home heating system operates optimally. Thanks for watching.